Hey guys, I'm coming at you with another Louis Vuitton unboxing today, so stick around to see what I purchased. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Okay, you guys, I've done it again. Oops, I did it again. I made another Louis Vuitton purchase, and this one I purchased directly from Louis Vuitton. There's actually a story that goes along with it, so let's open this bad boy up and see what I got, and then I'll tell you the story because I know you guys just want to see what it is. So here we go. In this nice giant box, I have my handy dandy scalpel. That's what we'll call it. Just slices right through. That's actually a crafting knife that I have. Pen blade. Comes in really handy for unboxings. Oh my gosh. All right. So here it is. So there it is. In a beautiful box. Let's pull this out. Throw that box over there because who needs it? Here we have receipts. Yep. All right, so full on receipt with this one. This one came, it looks like this one came directly from Austin store. And that's, yeah, I'll go into all that in a minute, but tied with the ribbon and everything. This is like the full shebang right here. And let's see. Oh yeah. So it's actually in the dust bag. Again, if you've been following me, you probably know what this is. If you've been following me, you probably know what's in this dust bag to come, but here it is. The Toiletry 26. Oh my gosh. I don't think that I've ever had vachetta that is this new and this light. I don't think ever. Let's see. This one was made in France. And it looks to be in really good condition. I mean, it better be. It's supposed to be brand new. So, yeah, this is so pretty. Let's open it up. See the inside, this nice wipeable interior. It has the textile cards inside of it. Let's see if I can get better light on that. But textile cards inside of it here. Pull those out. So it says it is the number for this. I guess the item number is M as in mom 47542. So there you go. So it comes with all of this. I'm going to put that in with the receipt so that I don't lose it. And I am so excited to check this off of my wish list this year. So it looks like it is one continuous piece of canvas all the way around. So the LVs are upside down on this side, I believe. Yeah, this side. And right side up on that side. And then of course the ends are all like right side up. If you can tell. Because those are all just the floors and whatever you call it. Anyway, so yeah, one piece of canvas. You've got the vachetta piece here. You've got the, is it gold plated hardware now? Let me look that up. Okay. So, let me flip it this way. Okay. So it's the monogram canvas, the golden brass zip closure with leather tab. So here's that. And it's actually like a pretty decent, like weight, like heft to it there. Washable lining, gusseted side here. And then it says, let's see, it's 9.8 inches by 7.9 inches by 2 inches wide here. And I gotta say, this is just beautiful. Like, I know it's just a piece of canvas, but it just is so pretty. I've been wanting this for so long. I've put it off. So here's the story behind this piece. I bought it on Fashionphile. Let's see, I wrote it down. So I bought it on Fashionphile for $625. there was a December 2020 coupon that was going on at that time. So it got you, oh gosh, I can't remember, $62.50 off, so 10% off, which made it $607.50. This was like out of stock online, call for availability. Sometimes right now it says item unavailable, check back soon. So I went ahead and bought it through Fashionphile because I was like, well, I mean, I'm only paying a little bit more. Online, on Louis Vuitton website, it's $520. I paid, like I said, $607.50, so it was like 80 something dollar difference maybe. And I was really happy with that purchase because I really wanted this. Well, in the meantime, I had gotten this Denise's information from Tiffany at LV Coffee Lover, her CA from Austin. And so I got her information, and I had just ordered the Fashionphile order, this through Fashionphile. And I got her information because I was really trying to get the agenda cover. And you guys know, you guys have already seen, I unboxed that like into December-ish. So I had contacted Denise, and she got me that. And in the meantime, then I started thinking, like, I wonder if there's any Toiletry 26s that she could get me. So I messaged her about it. I got the agenda cover, love it. And so then I messaged her like a week later and was like, just by chance, do you guys have any Toiletry bag 26s? And she was like, yeah, I've got, I can't remember if she said 4 or 6 of them. We've got 4 or 6 of them. I was like, oh my gosh, well, we're about to go to town, so I don't want to order it now because it'll come while I'm out of town and then it'll get sent back and like that whole mess. And I said, do you think that they'll still be available in like a week? So this was like the week before we went out of town. I said, do you think there'll still be available, at least one available? Because you set it aside. Like, how does this work? I'm still new to all the having a CA and having her help me out and do all that. And she was like, oh yeah, don't worry about it. Like, it'll still be around. I was like, okay, cool. Well, I made a reminder on my phone so that I would not forget to contact her like the middle of our trip, like I would forget, right? But I had a reminder on my phone so that I wouldn't forget to contact her to order this. And that way I knew that it took, like, for the agenda cover, it took like a little over a week, which this I ordered on December 30th and it got to me by January 4th. So the Fashionphile total, here's the thing. I ordered that from Fashionphile and I did an entire unboxing video. I can put some of that footage in right here or here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am so excited because the last 2 years I've received the Fashionphile calendar and I use it downstairs on my fridge, and it always has the most beautiful pictures in it of purses. It always makes me want more. And I always like to go see what August is because that's my birthday month. Jewelry. And then I like to see what December is. Some people don't like to see what it is beforehand, but I don't mind. So some luggage. So I'm super stoked that I got that. Oh, it's so pretty. All right. So did you guess right? Toiletry pouch 26. It is in really great condition. Looks like everything looks good around on the corners. This looks like almost brand new. It's not quite white, so there's that. And then, yep. Then here's the LV dust bag it comes in, and then the beautiful interior of it. So it actually didn't say that it came with the textile card, and it does. So there's that. It just didn't come with the box. So Fashionphile listed it as excellent condition, and it says the exterior is warped or bent. So like you can see that the lips of the bag are kind of misshapen a little bit, but I don't care. It doesn't bother me. And then it says the hardware has faint scratches, and it's like your typical wear and tear of hardware. That is it. They did not. So you can see, like, I did the whole unboxing, and I was unboxing it, and the top was like kind of rippled, but otherwise in like perfect condition. But I paid over retail, and so I was like, in the video, I actually said like, yeah, it's a little like rippled there, but I don't really care. And what do I care about that and like paying over for that because they're not in stock online. And then I got my desk agenda, And I got that, and I actually said in that video, because why would I pay more for something if it's like a little bit scuffed up? Because there was a desk agenda on Fashionphile for more money than Denise could get it for me than like the Louis Vuitton website. And so I said that, and as I was saying it, I was like, dang, like I paid more for something that wasn't like perfect. So it really got to me. So I sent it back to Fashionphile. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't pay that much more. So the Fashionphile one was $607.50, and I ended up paying $562.90. So to get it brand new, I saved money rather than going the pre-loved route. And I guess this is why having a CA, not I guess, this is why having a CA is so important, because they will likely be able to get their hands on these things that we can't get our hands on. So I'm really, really excited to have this piece in my collection. Like I said, just gorgeous. If you want to see if Denise can get her hands on one for you, I will put her information down in the box below. I will also maybe insert it here. And yeah, so the shipping on this was really a lot faster than it was for the desk agenda, but that makes sense because the desk agenda I ordered like right before Christmas, and you know, they're like crazy busy. So it probably took a week for the desk agenda. It also was an order that got placed on like a Sunday. I think it was a Sunday, and she was not working, but she had somebody place the order for me. And then it didn't, I don't think it like processed for a couple days, and I finally got a confirmation like email that said, yeah, it's gone through and whatever. And then I got okay, it's shipping. And that was my first experience with going through CA. But this time I knew better. I didn't bug Denise. Like I just kind of like let it ride, because now I knew kind of the process. I felt kind of bothersome to her last time, and she never made me feel that way. That was completely me. I just had a lot of questions. So anyway, so this one, like I said, December 30th to January 4th. It was like, I think a Wednesday or Thursday that she ordered it. I paid the invoice immediately, and it was probably, well, I guess it was like 2 days later. So it shipped out on like Thursday or Friday. And I was a little nervous because we weren't going to be home until, at that point, we weren't going to be home until Monday. And Monday is when it came. So Monday, January 4th. But we were home. It didn't come until our UPS guy is so awesome. They had taken him off of his usual route, which is our house. And he got here at like, cool, it was probably like 9 o'clock at night. And it said it was going to come by January 4th at 9. And so when he came, I was like, man, they must be working you hard. He goes, you know, they took me off of my usual route, but I made sure to get this. Like, he is just so good. He's like, I made sure to get this over here to you, and blah, blah, blah. And I was like, man, you're so awesome. Thank you so much. Like, he had no idea what this was. But it would bring such a smile to my face. But he is just amazing. So shout out to you UPS drivers, USPS, FedEx, all you guys that have been like killing it this holiday season. I know it's been hard. People like me who order like everything online truly appreciate what you do for us. So yeah, I think that was everything about this piece. I do have like some modifications that I'm going to do to it. Don't be nervous when I say that it's not like I'm cutting anything or anything like that. I want to make it into like a crossbody purse, and I'm just waiting on the insert for the purse. I ordered it through Etsy. It probably should be here by the end of this week, and then I will do a whole like short video on how I'm going to convert it and what all it can do, and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have a Toiletry 26, let me know how you use it down below. I've heard of people putting like all their like cords, like phone cords and all that in it, and so that I was kind of disappointed when I sent the other one back to Fashionphile, because we were going on our trip and my plan was to put all my cords and like all of my electronic stuff in it, and obviously I couldn't do that because I sent it back. So I will say also about that Fashionphile deal, like their return process is really so easy. I've only ever returned 2 things to them. One was a Balenciaga purse and one was the other Toiletry 26. And you basically don't remove the tags, and you can return it within 30 days for your full money back. They do a 100% guarantee of authenticity. So if you have something, I assume if it's been even 5 years and you find out it's not authentic, they will purchase it back for the purchase price that you purchased it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below, but they have a lifetime 100% authenticity guarantee. So I've never had to use it because all the bags I've ever had have been authentic from Fashionphile, so it's not been an issue. And I have bought from Fashionphile and then sold, you know, to people on like Facebook Marketplace and such. So it's been no issue, and I always get them authenticated again because Fashionphile authenticates so that the buyer feels like good and confident about purchasing from me. So check that out. Fashionphile also has like an outlet and 30% off stuff all the time, so go check those out. Sometimes those are a little more damaged, sometimes they're not. Sometimes they're just purses that people haven't picked up yet. They get kind of lost in the shuffle. You could get a really amazing deal on a purse that it's just hasn't been purchased yet. So go check that out. And I will also say, make sure you know the price of something new versus something pre-loved and what the worth of that is and what you're willing to pay for it before you go the pre-loved route, so that you know what you're looking for. Yeah, so I think those are all the tips and tricks. Definitely check out Fashionphile. I will link some of these down below on Fashionphile. I will say again, they're probably over retail, so if you want, I will put Denise's information down there. Maybe she can get her hands on one of these for you and get it shipped to you. So don't hesitate to send her a text or give her a call or whatever. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I'll see you later. Bye. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. The like button for this video in this gorgeous box. Correct me if I'm wrong in the description down below or in the comments down below. So to get it brand new, I saved money rather